Hi guys, welcome back. So today we'll be making this beanie. It's hand knitted using the cable stitch with a pom-pom. So all you need is your knitting needles. I'll be using my circular needles. You need your pom-pom maker and your yarn. Let's get started. So today I'll be using this yarn. It's silk, it's 3-ply, and it's acrylic. With me I have the knitting cable. So to make a beanie, I'll be making a chain of 90. One, two, three, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16. So once you have your chain of 90, I'll cut this out. So for this, you will be knitting and purl, the knit and purl stitch interchangeably. So I'll start with the purl stitch, which you do this way, then I knit on the next one. Repeat purl on the next, knit on the next. So basically this will be the stitch for the next around 10 rows. Units and purl. Let's meet when we get to the end of the row. So this is what you have at the end of row 1. I'll take you through row 2 also. You'll start with a purl stitch, then knits, purl, then knits. So you repeat that till the end of the row again, and you'll repeat this for around 10 rows. See you back when you have your 10 rows complete. So this is how it looks after row 10. So row 11, what we'll do is start off with 13 purl stitches. The back of the yarn, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This is how it looks like. Then we knit 9 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Purl 13 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Knit 9 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Purl 13 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Knit 9 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Purl 13 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Then we have to knit 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. At the end of your row, you'll have 2 chains remaining. You purl them both. Purl 1, purl 2. So on the back side, on row 12, you purl all stitches. So for the purl stitch, you'll purl all stitches on this side. So let's meet at the end of row 12. I'm coming to the end of row 12, which is all purl stitches. This is how it looks. And so on your 13th row, you will repeat row 1. So we'll start with 13 purl stitches. Then knit 9 stitches. purl 13 stitches, knits 9 stitches, purl 13 stitches, then we knit 9 stitches, 1, then we purl 13 stitches, knit 9 stitches, okay. Knit 9 stitches, at the end of the row you have your 2 last chains which you purl on the 2. So at the end of row 13, this is how it looks. It's starting to shape itself. So row 14, we purl all stitches. So this is how it looks after row 14. On your row 15, you repeat row 11 and 13, where you purl 13 stitches, knit 9, purl 13, knit 9. Let's meet after row 15 and 16. Row 16, you'll purl all stitches. So this is how it looks after row 16. So on row 17, we'll purl on the purl stitches, which is 13, after our 13 purl stitches, we'll start our pattern, where I'll be using my knitting cable. Remove 3 stitches. And so I have my 3 stitches. So I'll proceed with knitting 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Then I'll get my 3 stitches back. 1, 2, 3. Then knit the 3 stitches remaining. So this is how it looks like. Then I'll purl 13 stitches. On our 9 knit stitches, I'll repeat the same. I'll put 3 stitches in my knit cable, then proceed to knit 3 from below. 1, 3. Then I'll get them back. Then knit 3. We'll continue with the same pattern till the end. Knit the 3 stitches below. 1, 2, 3. Return the stitches that I have on my cable. Then proceed to knit the other 3 stitches. So here we are again on our knitting stitches. So remove 3, knit 3, then you purl your last 2. On the next row, we'll purl all stitches. Let's meet after you're done with your next row. Repeat the same stitches for the next 5 rows, where you purl on the purl stitches and knit on the knit stitches. Then we'll meet after your 5 rows. So on row 19, we repeat the same, but when we get to our knit stitch, we'll first knit 3 stitches, then put 3 stitches in our cable, 2, 3, and this time round it will go below. So we'll knit 3, then return the ones from below. knit, you purl 13 stitches. After this, you first knit 3 stitches, the first ones, 1, 2, 3. Then insert these 3 stitches and put them below, knit 3, 1, 2 and 3, then return your stitches back. So this is how it looks like. The pattern is forming, so we continue and purl 13 stitches. Knit 3, this is how it looks. So on the next stitch, on the next chain, which is the back loop, we have to do the purl stitch. So this is how it looks. So for the next 5 rows, you will purl on the purl stitches and knit on the knit stitches on the right side, which is this. That's the pattern. And on the back side, you'll purl on all stitches. Let's meet after you're done with your 5 rows. This is how it looks after your 5 rows. So on this row we'll be knitting and having a pattern above our knit rows. So let's proceed. When you get to your knitting stitches, you put 3 stitches to your cable, then you'll knit 3 from below, then return your 3 stitches back, then proceed to knit the other 3 stitches. So this is how it looks like. Then you'll proceed pile on all the stitches till you get to your knitting stitches and make the pattern. So once you get to knit stitches, remove 3, continue knitting, return your other 3, Then at the end you purl your stitches. So this is how it looks at the end of the row. So on the next row you'll purl all stitches. This is the back side. So on the back side you purl all stitches. So after you're done with your purl stitches, you're back to your right side. So we are continuing with this pattern here. So we'll purl for the first 30 stitches. When we get here, we'll knit the 3 stitches. Then we'll get the 3 next stitches. To the back, then knit next 3. Then we'll get this back. So this is how the pattern looks, and that will be the repeat pattern for the next rows till you get your desired beanie length. So I think I'll meet you when I've completed my rows around the next. I'm looking to have 5 of this, so 1 2. I need to add 3 more. So after I'm done with my 3 patterns, I'll get back to show you how to. So it's starting to shape up like a beanie. So this is where we are at. This is how it looks. So this is after how many rows? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35. So that's after 70 rows. So from here we'll start decreasing. So for the decrease, I'll be doing it in the purl stitches around here, here, and around here. So we can start. So at around here, I'll purl 2 stitches, this one and 2 together. That's my decrease. Then continue purl. Knit in my knit stitches. So we'll repeat the same for the second one, where I'll knit these 2 together. 1, 2. I'll purl them together. So you'll repeat this pattern for the next 3 rows in the right side, but on the back side you purl all stitches. So I think we'll meet when I'm joining the 2 parts together. So once you're done with your decreases, I'll use my needle. I'll insert the yarn. Then from there, you can insert it from your chain from where you completed or on the other side. For me, I'll go through this chain. I'll put in the pieces. So once you come to the end, I have my knitting needles. I pull through. And this is what I have at the end of it. So I'll pull through, and now the next step will be to join this end, where I'll still use my knitting needles and connect them. So for me to connect on this end, I'll do it on the inside. I'll do it on this side. So the way you can do it, it's just connecting the loops that way. Connect it to this other side. So that's how you just do it till you get to the end here. You connect the 2 sides and you'll have your beanie completed. This is how it looks at the end.